All India Joint Secretary of the Student Federation of India, Shatarup Ghosh, speaking exclusively to NNI, said, "This is not the first time that a tit-for-tat approach is being followed to counter dissent against the Modi government."
The citizens of this country are entitled to get certain rights, and one very important right is the right to express, the freedom of expression, as you said, express what I feel and express my dissent. And we would like to humbly remind the government and the MHRD that the students of IIT or any central institute are they are citizens of India as well, and these rights hold for them as well. And this is not the first time that something of this kind is happening. You might remember soon after Mr. Modi formed the government, there was an incident where in Kerala one students' union brought out a magazine where in one article, one write-up, there were certain criticisms of Narendra Modi and his involvement with the Gujarat riot. So after that article was brought out, those students, the leaders of the students' union, they were arrested and put to jail. So this has been happening in our country. It's shameful to think that the students of IIT, who are considered to be the best brains of our country, if this is what they are having to meet, then what is the condition of democracy in the remaining campuses of our country, and what is the condition of the existing prevailing setup of democracy? That is for everyone to see, and we strongly condemn it on behalf of the SFI, and we would surely, we won't stop at the point of condemnation. We would surely go on with the struggle to, we want those students to be restored in their academic life as they have always been there, and outside the MHRD in New Delhi and as well as in Tamil Nadu, in Chennai, throughout the country, we would be holding protests against this violation of democratic rights.
Powered by NNIS.